Good afternoon, viewers. You're watching the relentless reportage of the Sushant death investigation on the Times Now for the next 3 hours. This is going to be a marathon exclusive coverage filled with updates and news breaks. The Dubai angle has been confirmed. The insider has gone on record to say that Sandeep Singh got a call from Dubai. Who was the individual? Who were the handlers directing Sandeep Singh from Dubai? We will come to all of that. But let's begin with breaking inputs coming in. The CBI team has begun its investigation. Siddharth Pithani is now at the DRDO guest house where the CBI team is stationed. Remember, Siddharth Pithani is one of the flatmates person who stayed with Sushant Singh Rajput in his Bandra flat. And we have also accessed the line of questioning for Siddharth Pithani. Who was there at home on June 13? This is an individual who can shed more light on that. Did Pithani call the key maker? Remember, Neeraj, the cook, has been questioned for the last 2 days. Now the CBI team is also questioning Siddharth Pithani. Let me quickly open this up. Bhavtosh Singh joining us with the details. Then I bring in Siddhant, Arunil, Kajal. Yes, Bhavtosh.
Well, in fact, the questioning started around 30 minutes back. He is at the DRDO office, which is the camp office of CBI. As we have told our viewers earlier also, the first task before CBI is to understand what happened on the night of 13th and 14th June. Siddharth Pithani was very much present there along with Keshav, Neeraj, Dipesh Sawant and others. He will be asked who all were present there at the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput. More importantly, he will also be asked that how come he knew that Sushant Singh Rajput had committed suicide or is not opening the door, and did he make the call to the key maker and also made the first call to the police control room? Was he the person who brought the body down? When he was bringing the body down, did anyone ask him to do so, or he did it on his own? He will also be questioned about his long stay at Sushant's residence. Did Sushant Singh Rajput hire him? If he was hired, was he getting any kind of salary? Also about the relationship between Sushant Singh Rajput and Riha. What happened on 8th of June, why Riha left the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput. And importantly, he will also be asked about what happened during the prolonged lockdown.
More inputs coming in. The CBI has recorded statements of 4 people apart from statements of Neeraj and Samuel Miranda. 4 more statements will be recorded today. Forensic experts will share their primary analysis of the crime scene photographs. Yes, Priyank.
Yes, Sandeep Pranesh, as we have been reporting that the CBI team is still here at this Cooper Hospital. The mysterious movement of all the individuals, which has been highlighted by Times Now, is also being looked into by the CBI officers. They are here along with the CFSL expert. I have never seen in my past, Pranesh, that the team of forensic experts would have wanted to go to the exact mortuary where the post-mortem would have been done. And that is because the CBI forensic team is also trying to know that whether the exact temperature of the light was also available inside the mortuary when the post-mortem of Sushant Singh Rajput was conducted at 11 in the night. So these are the factors on which the CBI team reached here. They met the AMO of this office, since most of the senior officials are on leave today because of the Ganpati festival. But the CBI team with forensic expert is continuing their probe. They reached here around an hour back, and since then they are camping inside. They spoke to the doctors, and after which they have gone to the mortuary. Remember, Pranesh, this is the same mortuary which was visited by Riya Chakrabarti. She was there for 45 minutes. So there were several questions which were raised on the doctors of this Cooper Hospital, that why this post-mortem was conducted in the night without any specific
After
or any
Times
kind
Now
of...
brought out the Riya Cooper tapes where Riya